to my channel. This is Limi. Today I'm gonna be making the Basque burnt cheesecake. I love this recipe so much, not only because it's super delicious, but also mind-free. I always worry about cracking and burning and sinking when I make cheesecakes. But for this one, the beautiful thing is the rustic look. And we do want it to burn, to crack, and to sink. And you know that? Another best thing is it's super easy to make. We only need 5 ingredients: cream cheese, heavy cream, eggs, sugar, and cornstarch. And as usual, I will put all the ingredients and their measurements down below in the descriptions. So if you'd like to follow along at home, then you have all of them. Now let's make our cheesecakes. First, we're gonna need this cream cheese in the room temperature. So I will microwave it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Three and 1/3 tablespoons of sugar. Gradually add sugar for several times. This container is a little bit small, so I'm gonna use a bigger one. So you may want to start with a bigger container and use a hand whisk to smooth the cream cheese. And continue to mix until the sugar gets dissolved. Add 2 eggs. Continue to beat the eggs and combine the mixture. Now the eggs are fully incorporated. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch and sift it to the mixture. And then continue to beat the mixture. Now we add 1/2 cup of heavy cream. Combine them together. Just to mix this mixture. Okay, now our batter is ready. Brace the inside of the baking bowl. Put 1 parchment paper. It looks messy, but it's a good messy. We do want those wrinkles, and these ones will give the burnt cake a beautiful look. And then next, we just pour in our batter. Now it's ready to bake this beautiful and delicious cheesecake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Look at the beautiful burnt. And look at this, it still can move. And it means the inside is still soft. And we need to cool it down for more than 1 hour and then put in the fridge for overnight or at least 1 hour. I left it overnight in the fridge, so first thing in the morning I have to check it out. We have greased the baking bowl so it's not hard to take it out from the baking bowl. Wow, look at edges. See how beautiful it is. The rustic look. Let's have a taste. It's so delicious. It tastes so creamy, so buttery, and also the burnt part is a little bit bitter, and it's the contrast to the sweet flavor, so the combination is perfect. Wow, that's so great. I cannot stop. I hope you like this recipe and like my video. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. And also please comment down below. And please subscribe me for more. And happy holidays. See you real soon. Bye.